How to fix the WhatsApp microphone is not working error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So to fix this WhatsApp microphone error, here are the few methods. So the first one is open the settings and then you have to click on system. Once you have clicked on system, you can scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Once you have clicked on troubleshoot, you can go to other troubleshooters. Hereby, you can search for the microphone or audio option and click on run. This should probably fix the issue. However, moving on to the next method, we have privacy and security. Scroll down a bit and under app permissions, click on microphone. Make sure to turn on the option of let apps access your microphone. You can specifically search for WhatsApp and make sure that the microphone is turned on. This should also fix the issue. Similarly, moving on to the another method, open Device Manager. Once you have opened Device Manager, search for the sound adapters. It could be under sound, video and game controllers. Right-click on your audio driver, click on Update Driver. Do the same for the audio inputs and outputs drivers as well. Once you have done so, make sure to reboot the device. And this should probably fix the issue. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.